Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Sparrow, Sun, and I forgot your name. No. I live with you. How do I not know your name?
I forgot your name. Who will win? Who will win? I'm bringing my horse over into the battle. Wait, everyone, quiet. This is where it ends. Watch.
Didn't you get star coins? Did you spend it?
But I'm going to be responsible and I'm going to save up for one of those and I'm going to get the black one.
Did you save Anne, Cricket?
Will's saving up his Warwick shillings to get a cowboy hat.
Cool. Wait. Sun.
What do you want?
I just forgot.
Okay, Will, wait. No. Don't do any of them. Those suck. How do you lock? Don't buy any of them. Because all the good ones
Sparrow, before you buy anything, you have to get to level 10 because that's where the decent stuff is. Sparrow, before you buy anything, you should get to level 10 because that's where all the decent stuff is.
Well, yeah, no, it's level 9.
Oh, okay.
You gave. Wait, Will, how did you give Harper a hug? Since when was there a hug button?
I don't. Oh my God! It says blank Sparrow. Sparrow gives you a hug.
You just press their name. Yeah.
Oh, but it doesn't.
Let's
We need
hug
a
Sparrow
hug.
because we love him. Everyone hug Sparrow on 3. 1.
Okay.
I hugged you.
Well, I don't think that there's a hugging emote.
No, there is a hugging emote, but
No, there is, but like not in animation.
press him. Okay, on 3. 1.
Wait.
2, 3.
I just hugged it. We're not doing anything. We weren't doing anything. We just stand still.
Wait, puppy, can you get, what's the name, Will, what kind of horse do you want? Wait, can you get out your American Quarter Horse?
Yeah.
No, I'm talking to puppy, so then you can see him. I want you to show Will, or Sparrow, his gait, and walk and trot and stuff like that. How do I leave? I'm stuck. I don't know what, I'm scared.
This
What am I
is.
supposed to do? I pressed this thing, and now I don't know how to get out. You can walk the... I'm stuck. Wait, I don't know what to do.
Press escape.
I am, I'm like spamming it.
Is there an X?
No, there's no X.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna delete my computer.
Okay, look, so,
Wait, can you kick me out of the stable?
yeah.
Yeah, kick me out. Not because I made it, just that she needs to get out of that. Yeah.
Oh, did I ask you to leave?
There's no horse. It's back. There's no horse. Yeah, you kicked me out. Yes. Okay, let her back in. Okay, invite me again.
Okay.
I'm not kidding. That is no. That's...
Okay, so, Sparrow, look at this horse's gaits. This is the American quarter horse. This is the walk.
Watch his walk. Watch him closely. That's the walk.
Trot.
Their heads stay down. Is that like a Western horse? Yeah, it's a Western horse. She started with...
Well, not just Western. Me and my sister's horse IRL's not.
I really like No, I went into my own stable. Can you invite me to your stable then?
Yeah.
Oh wait, Pirate Troop is healed. Very much she's not. It's just she's not fully healed.
Wait, look at this. Sparrow, look at this, okay? Are you ready? Look at its special Western thing.
It spins really quickly. Isn't that cool? It's a special way. Get out of the globe and watch, okay? Well,
Okay, well, bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video.